Phasor disposable cranial drill use in 1 minute. Choose a size. See the orange highlight on the label for the diameter in millimeters. Common applications are also included per size. Easy peel the shelf carton open from the bottom. No ripping involved. Now peel open the drill tray inside. Pull the side plastic tab out, allowing batteries to contact and the drill to work. Screw or unscrew the guard to expose more or less the drill bit per expected skull thickness. Make your small incision and put the guard on the skull, not scalp. It even protects the rotating drill bit. Drill on forward, not reverse. You only need the Allen key for super thick skulls, so not normally used. For these, tighten, not loosen, the set screw and slide off the sleeve, exposing the stopper underneath to adjust. For our short thin drills, this stopper extension comes detached. Simply hold in opposite hand while drilling. If drilling pauses during drilling, clean flutes, start drill before engaging the hole, and finish drilling the hole. To remove batteries for disposal, peel off the handle shrink wrap and eject the blue handle. Explore our other sizes and stoppers with or without the kit. More at phazorhealth.com. If any rare issues with a given drill, simply use another and return the drill to us for a full refund.